Hello friends. In this video, I am trying to convert an iPhone XR to an iPhone 17 Pro. To do this, I have ordered an iPhone 17 Pro assembly that is compatible with the iPhone XR. You can find the link in the description. This is the stuff that I have received with this assembly. So let's not waste time and transfer everything from an iPhone XR to an iPhone 17 Pro assembly. I have an old iPhone, so let's take all the parts out and try to assemble them in an iPhone 17 Pro frame. These are easy steps as I am demonstrating inside the video. It is a little time-consuming process, so I am quickly jumping to the next step. Make sure to transfer and fit all the components properly, otherwise we may face issues with motherboard or screen adjustment. Use a soft hand and patience to transfer the wireless charging system to the new frame, with the help of screws and metal plates. This is the flashlight that came with the new frame since we can't use the iPhone XR's flashlight in it. So, this is the part we need to focus on. After placing the motherboard and other parts, make sure to check all the connections to ensure they are fitted properly. Adjust the front camera and Face ID as directed in the video, and do not forget to connect to the motherboard. Just stick the same battery from your old iPhone XR into the motherboard. It is now time to test the iPhone 17 Pro. Initial observations indicate that all components are functioning properly. including the rear and front cameras. Notably, the flashlight and power button have been relocated to distinct positions within the new frame. After testing the charge, secure the connections with the help of the given metal plates. Just adjust the screen inside the frame. If you need to, you can use the seal provided to fit it in there. Here is your newly converted iPhone 17 Pro, now ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider sharing it, liking it, and subscribing to our channel to support our content.